Amen. All right. I am so honored and happy to be here with you. It is an honor to now have a Zambian name. One Zambia.
One nation.
One nation.
One Zambia.
One more day. Yes. They were not one. That's true. That's true. That's why I was going to. That was where I was going next. So, in the hearts of the leaders in Zambia, they have spoken to the people that we desire one nation. Many tribes, one nation. And so that is why they have taught in Zambia to say, when one nation is spoken, the people say, one Zambia. And when we say one Zambia, the people together say one nation. So what is one? Kamosi. Tubidi. Okay, so I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. He's going to say what he just said. Alright, too much in my head. Because I'm learning Nyanja, and Bemba, and Jonah. So, 1, 2, 3. One Lord.
One body.
I want to do that one more time. So I say one Lord, you say one body. Right. And then I say one body, you say one Lord. Okay? 1, 2, 3. One Lord.
One body.
One body.
One Lord.
Did you hear that, Lord? Did you hear that, Lord? One body.
One Lord.
One Lord.
One body.
One body.
One Lord.
One Lord.
One body.
Sounds bad.